Your home is one of your biggest investments, but without regular upkeep, small issues can turn into expensive problems. One Home Service protects your investment by handling the essential maintenance most homeowners overlook, saving you time, stress, and money. Lint buildup in your dryer vent isn't just messy, it's a major fire hazard. We remove it all so your dryer runs better, lasts longer, and your family stays safe. Over time, sediment builds up in your water heater, reducing efficiency and shortening its lifespan. Our professional flush keeps your water hot, your energy bills low, and your system running for years longer. And then there's the garbage disposal. Odors and food buildup can cause clogs and costly repairs. We deep clean it so it runs like new and smells fresh. With One Home Service, you get a professional maintenance plan for your entire home, scheduled, documented, and managed through our app. No more surprise repairs. No more stress. Just peace of mind.